So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have bought iPad 11. So today is the day we will unbox it. So this is 11th generation iPad and this contains A16 Ionic chip. So it is the same chip which is used in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's unbox it now. So here I am going for blue color because all my devices are blue. So this is the classic iPad design. So let's start it. So now let's check first what is in the box. So we have user manual. इसका कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. For the first time I have got the adapter from Apple and this is Type C to Type C. So you can directly connect your SSD to the iPad and I don't think इसमें कुछ है. This is comparatively lighter in weight as compared to M3. So let's proceed with the setup. Right now I'm in office, so मैं office का ही network use करूँगा. Okay, the setup is completed. So this is on the full brightness. Let's quickly check the settings. So the iPadOS version is 18.5. For the camera you got the front and rear, both are 12 megapixel. So it is good for taking any meetings. So we are testing a 4K video. So we have got 11-inch Retina display. We have two volume buttons over here. This is the Touch ID and lock. We have got 4 speakers, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the upper hand. The processor looks good.